Is your neckline opening too big and too revealing? I'll share with you the easiest way how to make this neckline smaller and more comfortable. Step 1. Put on the garment and determine how much smaller you want the neckline to be, and pinch the shoulder seams evenly on both sides to mark how much excess fabric you need to get rid of. Step 2. Lay the garment flat and use fabric pen or chalk to mark in the needed adjustment. As you're marking the adjustment, remove the straight pins, then measure that amount and make a note of it for later. Step 3. Turn the garment left side out. Step 4. Use seam ripper or scissors to carefully open the shoulder seams. I am adjusting only the front part of this top as it seems too big and too loose, and the back side looks perfectly fine, so I will not be doing any adjustment to the back side of. Step 5, make sure the garment lays flat and mark the amount that we measured before, and then mark the new shoulder line on both sides, reducing the neckline evenly. Step 6, pin the fabric shoulder seams together along the new markings, leaving seam allowance on the back part of the garment, as the front, remember, is already bigger because I'm only taking in the front part of the garment. So you can see me here adjusting it, making sure that the back's got plenty of seam allowance for the new stitch to happen. Step 7, sew along the new seam line using a straight stitch and back stitching at the beginning and end of the stitch for strength. Adjust the settings on your sewing machine for the type of fabric you're sewing and use the right size sewing needle. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment in a section below telling me how you make neckline smaller. Like, do you do anything differently? Let me know. Step 8, trim any excess fabric if necessary and leave seam allowance. Step 9, use zigzag stitch or serge to secure the raw edges of the fabric. And if you're using the zigzag stitch, I do back stitching at the beginning and at the end of the stitch. Press the new shoulder seam to one side, and once I'm done that, I go back to my sewing machine to just tag it on each shoulder seam, like at the end of the shoulder seam. Just a little bit back stitching back and forth. The new seam after it's pressed is facing the center back of the garment. And that's it. I think it looks great. The neckline now sits higher and closer to the body with a more secure and flattering fit. It looks perfect. It's very comfortable. Like and subscribe.